I'm sweating bricks. The heat is too much.
Okay. You need a brush? You need to take a break and do this shit?
No, let's go! Ah! Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl BFT Post, also known as Brianna, and today I have this cranberry white liner cut crease on my eye, obviously. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, just keep on watching. So I already did this eye off camera, so I'm just going to do this eye with you guys. So to start off, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer, Conceal and Define Concealer in C10. Now to start with this look, I'm going to be taking the Carnival Pro palette and taking the shade Reckless and applying that in my crease with the Makeup Shack T63 brush. So after I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to be taking the shade Slow Burn as well as Inferno and mixing the two together. And I'm using a Makeup Shack T56 brush. Going to be taking the shade Basic and applying it with this Beach Cosmetics brush. Now I'm going to be applying Lights Out, which is the black shade, and I'm using an e.l.f. defining blending brush and applying it right in my crease. Now I'm going to be cutting my crease using the Makeup Revolution concealer and Makeup Shack brush I used to carve out my brows. So now that the crease is cut, I'm just going to be taking Lights Out, which is the black color, and using the e.l.f. defining brush. Now I'm going to be taking Slow Burn and Inferno and applying it with the T56 brush. Now I'm going to be taking this white from the Riviera palette. Now I'm going to be taking Seaside from the Riviera palette and using this flat blending brush. And I'm just gonna be using a quick change pad to just dust off the pigment from the brush. And then I'll be taking Splendor from the Carnival XL Pro palette and applying that where that cranberry blend is. Now I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. black liquid liner in jet black and creating a, I wouldn't say wing, just like a line. Now that I am satisfied with that, I'm going to be taking the NYX white liner, white liquid liner. This cracks quite a bit, so I'm just gonna have to like layer it. So now I'm going to be doing my face off camera, and then I'll come back to apply my lashes and finish my under eye with you guys. And I promise this time telling the truth. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing my lower lash line, so I'm going to be taking the colors I used in my crease and putting them in my lower lash. Now I'm taking Slow Bird and Inferno and applying it right underneath. Okay, now I'm going to be taking these lashes from RDBeauty. Not in the style Legos, I just switched lashes. They're in the style Liverpool. And I'm going to be taking this dual lash glue, and it's like the strip one. My mascara, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. Next, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, and I'll be taking bronze. My lips, I'm going to be taking the MAC lip liner in Chestnut. Then I'm going to be taking this LaSplash LipTint Mousse. So for the piece de resistance, I'm going to be setting my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Yeah, it was hot. I need this. If I can't use water, I'm gonna use setting spray. And who gonna be my ass? That's all. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.